Einmal wird es ganz bestimmt dir klar, dass ich doch der Allerbeste war. Suchst du auch woanders noch dein Glück, einmal kommst du doch zurück. Was immer auch geschehen mag, ich warte auf dich. Denke daran an jedem Tag, ich warte auf dich. Denke bei jedem Glockenschlag, ich warte auf dich.
I have my brand new to me Walther P38, 43 dated Spreewerk. Haven't gotten a chance to fire it, only got it about a month ago, so today's the day, ladies and gents. Let's get ready to rumble. Right on, dude. What we got here?
So this is an early 1945 production M1 Grand. I picked it up at the exact same gun show that Jacob picked up that P38 that you guys just saw not too long ago. This has an uncut op rod, original World War II barrel, still not even close to being shot out, and this also odd little.
Oh hell yeah, dude!
Yeah.
Fun switch.
This also has an HRA stock, which is not right for the receiver, but it's just still a little fun piece of equipment that this has. Super rare stock. You can tell by the cartouche it has right there.
Keeping it authentic, Chief. Way to go.
This, first mag review.
Oh yeah, he hasn't shot this yet, so this is the first go at it.
All right. This thing is loaded, safety is off. Let's see how she is. Hell yeah.
That is fucking beautiful. Bombs away. This thing is fucking sick. Try for that 2-liter back there. Ooh, I hit it. Hell yeah, dude. Deadeye. Got the two Mosins right here. He has on the left, mine on the right. He's got the, I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty badass. The 1922 X receiver Mosin. I've got the 1943 shit stick. They're both shit stick. It's just what flavor you want. But we're gonna be doing pretty much all the fun you can have with the Mosin is just seeing how fast you can get some shots off and sawing these things in half. But piece of shit. We'll see what we can do with it. So you have the 150 grain. I have 182. Come over here a little more.
Ready?
Alright. On your command. flawless that time.
Yeah, my boat stuck a little bit.
Yeah, this shit is like no joke. When people said that's junk, that's really junk.
Yeah, we found shooting Tula. It's either light loaded or it's so hot that
With
you
this
blow
shit.
primers.
It's been nothing but hot loads. Haha, that's what she said. Like the whole time we've had it, and we've been getting shit stuck in there. Let me get the remedy we'd use for this is the Mosin cleaning rod. Just throw it down the barrel because
Kind of barbaric.
it's long enough and it's heavy enough. It does the job. So dump it forward again. Forward.